This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. Now, in this lecture, I am going to tell you how we people can give an alternative name, that is Alias,
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
to a module. We can give a shorter name to a module, and this short name can be used anywhere in the program. Okay, so this is our module which I have already created using in this project called my modules. So it has got a dictionary called countries and employees and a list with the name REGNOS for registration numbers of the students. Say, okay, so in the countries dictionary, what I have done is I have taken the key India, value rupees, key America, value dollars, key Russia, value ruble. Right. So you are aware about the technique to create a dictionary. We have already done this. Similarly, in the second dictionary, Anil is the key and 75,000 the value. So is Asif and value is 80,000. Key is Mohit, value is 90,000. Similarly, this is our list which we have given a list of values. Okay. This is our module with the name module 5 and it has been saved module5.py. As you are aware that a module should be saved with the extension py. Let's go to the main program mn5.py. So the first thing I am doing here is I am importing the module by using the as phrase. Like I am writing import module 5 as md. Now what does it mean? It means in this program, wherever you want to mention the name of the module 5, you can alternatively use the name, shorter name md. So md will be called the alias of module 5, or we can say the second name or alternative name for module 5. Okay, so md is not something fixed name, it could be any abc xyz something. Now currency is a variable. I am writing currency is equal to md dot countries. As you know, as you are already aware about the fact that if we want to retrieve a particular value from a dictionary, we people are supposed to write the name of the dictionary, and the name of the dictionary is being qualified with the name md. Why? Because md is representing module 5. It's second name for module 5. So countries India, it will pick up the value, and currency will be rupees. That will be put into this variable currency, and I will be printing currency. Okay, so now here at line number 4, I am writing salary is equal to md dot employees Mohit. Now what do I want to do is I want to retrieve the salary of the employee Mohit. It will search for Mohit. Let's go to module 5. It will search for Mohit, and what is the value? Value for the key Mohit is 90,000. That is salary is 90,000. Okay, and this value 90,000 will be retrieved and put into this variable salary. So in the next line, I am simply going to print it. It's as simple as that. So let's control shift F10. Let's execute this program. Yeah, here is the output. Currency of India is rupees, salary of Mohit is 90,000. Let's change some values. Here, let me write America, and here let me write SIF, right? So now this time over, what will happen is it will retrieve the value for the key America, which is dollars, and it will retrieve the value for the key ASIF. What will be that? Let's go to module. It will be 80,000 for ASIF. Okay, control shift F10. Yeah, here is the output. Currency of India is, I'm sorry, I have not changed the message within double quotes. So I should have written currency for America is this, and currency of ASIF is, salary of ASIF is this. Okay, control shift F10. Now see the output. Currency of America is dollars, salary of ASIF is 80,000. So the crux of the issue is Whenever you want to use a second name, an alternative name, or you can say alias for a module, at the time of importing, the syntax goes like this. Simply write import name of the module as and the second name that you want to give it. Okay. Thank you.